What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Mark here with the Crypto Mark. Let's get into a very controversial opinion, right? That Solana will get the next spot ETF, not XRP. Now, I want to make this video and talk about this because what's very important to understand is this is all on the heels of the tables turning, right? Ethereum ETF is looking for its approval today at deadline by Thursday, end of business. That is where we look for that first approval that they have to basically come up with. So will that happen? Who will be next? Solana, XRP? Let's talk about it in this video, okay? But before we do, make sure you guys are all subscribed down below. Smash that like button. I want to get over 100 likes on this video. Appreciate you guys. For you guys that are subscribed, that you're returning to the channel, appreciate each and every one of you, and let's get down into it, okay? This is what we're looking at. And before we get down into it, I do want to share with you guys today's channel sponsor. This is Margex. So if any of you guys trade with leverage and you want another platform, you want a sign-up bonus, use my link down below. I believe it's 20% for just using my link in the description, as well as you can claim up to $10,000 in bonuses using that link and getting started today. Signed up with Margex, trading up with 100x leverage, utilizing also their copy trading feature within his platform. A lot of people have been having a lot of success trading Bitcoin with leverage, like I said, up to 100x. No KYC. Make sure Margex is right for you. And by all means, if you want to get started trading with leverage, use my link down below and get signed up today. Okay. And please remember, guys, do your own due diligence, because it is a very, very risky, volatile way of trading with crypto. All right. But I do want to talk about this back into this big question right now, and how Solana or XRP will receive the next spot ETF. Now, this is Brian Kelly, who is the founder of digital currency investment firm BKCM, weighing in on CNBC on why the next ETF would come from this cryptocurrency. Okay, now Kelly first voicing his thoughts that the Ethereum spot ETF is now inevitable, which is going to be huge for crypto, recognizing Solana as a strong contender due to its market competitiveness. And then we get into some of the Bloomberg analysts' opinions as well. So Bloomberg basically is agreeing with Kelly's view. James Seifert, within being the ETF analyst at Bloomberg, okay, suggesting that it might take a few years to get to that Solana spot ETF due to the listing requirements that lie within, and also establishing that CFTC regulated futures market for Solana. Solana would be very interesting because of how volatile it is. I don't know how that would be received necessarily from that community within the institutional players. It's just a little volatile, I think, in my opinion. Okay, I know crypto's volatile as a whole, but Solana just really takes it to that next step, right? So it'll be very interesting to see what happens. Okay, but furthermore, cheers, I need some more coffee. Furthermore, Seifert emphasizes that Solana within their spot ETF would garner more investor demand than the ETFs of other crypto assets other than Bitcoin and Ethereum. So that's kind of, coming down to Solana being that third spot, and a lot of market analysts agree. So Seifert goes on to say in that quote that, just to sum it up, the Solana ETF would have the most demand outside of Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's a big take-home message. And two, they need to have a lot of precedence and needs to get that CFTC regulation within the futures market. So going into also, like we talked about, Fit 21, if that bill can make it through Congress and the executive branch, then that obviously can help it go a little further, okay? But that's kind of where we're at, all right? So more so, they talk about Solana's security status, keeping that an issue. The SEC, jockeying that back and forth, security, commodity, when will that ever end? And that's kind of where we're looking at it, and even how that trickles down into XRP, because XRP is still waiting. They're still stuck in the courtroom. It's been years, okay? So they need to have some kind of a new voice within the SEC. I agree with that point, okay, before anything can be done with an XRP ETF, because you can't really have an XRP ETF if they're in this legal scuffle right now with the SEC, okay? It's just going to be impossible. So that's my thoughts. Those are my opinions as it relates to this. I agree with both of these analysts. I think Solana as an ETF would be next. However, I just don't necessarily agree with it in terms of being beneficial to that community that would want Solana in that fashion, okay? Me, you, people we know, we go on our exchange, we can go on our wallets, and we can basically buy Solana at a moment in a like this. A lot of people can't do that. A lot of people don't know how to do that. A lot of people don't want to bother themselves with that. So they need ETFs, okay? They need a way in from an institutional side of the game, not necessarily just handling it with their own free will. So that's kind of what I have. That's my thoughts as well. Like I said, make sure you guys all check out Margex if you want to get started trading on that platform. Please, though, on your way out, if you don't mind, give me a subscribe. Also, smash that like button, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.